In a world driven by technology, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence can revolutionize your life. Here's why you should embrace AI and unlock a better future. Efficiency becomes your ally. AI streamlines everyday tasks, automating processes and saving you precious time. Imagine having virtual assistants managing your schedule, organizing your emails, and handling mundane chores effortlessly. Experience personalized experiences. AI learns your preferences, adapting to your needs. From personalized recommendations for entertainment, shopping, and even healthcare, AI tailors experiences specifically for you, making life more enjoyable and convenient. Empower your decision-making. AI analyzes vast amounts of data, providing valuable insights and predictions. From financial planning to business strategies, AI-driven analytics empowers you to make informed choices, improving outcomes in all aspects of life. Enhance your well-being. AI revolutionizes healthcare, enabling early disease detection, personalized treatments, and improved patient care. Wearable devices and health monitoring systems powered by AI ensure proactive wellness management. Unleash your creativity. AI offers new tools and possibilities for artistic expression. From music composition to visual arts, AI-powered platforms inspire and assist creative endeavors, helping you explore new frontiers of imagination. Transform the way you learn. AI-powered educational tools provide adaptive and personalized learning experiences. Unlock your potential with intelligent tutoring systems that cater to your unique learning style, making education engaging and effective. Join the movement towards sustainability. AI supports environmental conservation by optimizing energy consumption, managing resources, and combating climate change. Embrace AI to create a greener and more sustainable world. In conclusion, the choice is clear. Embracing AI opens doors to unparalleled possibilities. From increased efficiency and personalization to empowered decision-making and improved well-being, AI has the potential to make your life better in countless ways. Embrace AI and embark on a journey towards a brighter future.